Hello. We are Dropship Beauty. Today, we will go over the custom branding services offered on the app. Custom branding helps personalize your orders when they are shipped to your customer. This will allow you to have your logo placed on materials, such as silk bags, lash labels, or edge controls. It overall adds personality to your Dropship orders. Please note that we have made several updates to the Dropship Beauty app, and this video will show you how to navigate through the newly updated pages for custom branding. First, let's start with the logo design service. If you do not have a logo yet and would like for us to create one for you, you can make a purchase through the Dropship Beauty app. To do so, you will need to click Services from the dashboard and choose Logo Design after. Afterwards, you will be directed to the Logo Design section of the app. As you can see, the logo design services are currently $79.99. If you are a Pro member, you will receive 10% off the service. The instructions for the logo design are provided on the page. Therefore, please read the guidelines carefully before proceeding with the purchase. Once you fully understand the terms and conditions, please click Purchase Service to proceed with the logo design offer. If you are a Pro member, you will have access to our custom branding services. With the Pro membership, you will have the option to either send your own personal branding items to us for dropshipping, or you can have us created for you at a separate cost. This video will show you how you can do both. To access custom branding on the app, you will first go to Services on the left side of the dashboard. Next, you will click on Custom Branding. You will then be taken to this page. If you have your own custom branding items already made and would like to use it for dropshipping, you can send it to us by filling out a form first. To access the form and to send us your personal branding, please click Open Form at the top center of the branding page. A form will pop up for you to fill out. It would be best to do this on a laptop or desktop. You will simply fill out the description of the items that you are planning to send to us, along with a photo uploaded. Make sure the photo is a clear shot of the expected items. Once you are finished adding your information, please click Submit Request. You will then receive an email update within 1 to 2 business days after, on the status of the request form. We will either accept or deny the form, with a brief explanation why. If approved, we will message you further instructions on how you can send your branding to us. We accept branding items such as silk bags, lash labels, edge control labels, and branding wraps. Any other branding materials that will affect the weight of the package, or is too big to fit in our USPS padded envelope, will be denied. Again, you need to be a Pro member to have your branding materials stored in our facility. If you would like for us to create and print custom branding materials for you, it will be a separate purchase. The custom branding services available can be seen at the middle section of the branding page. As you can see, a few options are already shown here. However, if you would like to view all of the options, you can click on the button that states Private Label Branding. This will redirect you to a new website dedicated to our branding services called www.privatelabelbranding.com. This page will include logo services, custom printing, and design template services. You can purchase any of the services offered here, and each of them will automatically provide you with the next steps to follow after you buy one of our branding offers. If you purchase custom branding through this page, you will then be given the option to either have us store the items for dropshipping, or you can have all of them shipped to you. This concludes the custom branding service with Dropship Beauty. This is Dropship Beauty. Thank you for watching our video.